Hi everybody, this is Dr. Delaney. We're here with our patient coordinator Ashley today. So she is 7 days out after doing a fractionated CO2 resurfacing for her whole face, and this was done under topical numbing only with Pronox. And so we're going to hear a little bit about her experience. Tell me why you wanted to get the resurfacing done in the first place.
So I really wanted to do it for just overall skin texture and brightening, but I had some really fine lines and wrinkles under my eyes that really just bothered me, and that's what I was trying to do with the CO2 laser.
Going into this procedure, I know you had a little bit of concerns about the comfort, especially because we're not doing it under anesthesia. What were some of your initial concerns?
Specifically for the eyes, you have to put in a little metal protectant, and that was nerve-wracking just because it's your eye and you're awake and you don't really know how it's going to feel. But it was not bad at all. Dr. Delaney put numbing drops in my eyes, and I had some Pronox, and I really didn't feel a thing, and it went really smoothly.
Yeah, so we put on some numbing cream on the face for about an hour, some numbing drops in the eyes with some lubricant, and then once you have the Pronox, then you're like, do whatever you need.
No big deal at all.
So you're only 7 days out, and you're looking pretty good. So
I love it.
Can you tell us a little bit about what the recovery process was like, almost day by day?
I would say right after the procedure, not too bad. After about an hour, that's when kind of the stinging and the burning hit. But really only lasted about an hour to two after the procedure. The vinegar soaks really helped with that. So not too terrible. And then the next day, the day after, definitely was swollen. Maybe a little bit more swollen than I see patients all the time, but you never think it's actually you're gonna be the one who gets swollen.
Yeah.
But I was swollen afterwards. But then day two, it went down quite a bit. You have to keep your face pretty gooped up with bacitracin. Your hair kind of stays a little greasy and dirty, so that's just something you kind of have to think about during your recovery. But by day 5, it was already kind of peeling off and so much better. But overall, it was a great recovery. I'm super happy with the way things are. So just excited.
Yeah, so we were already saying your skin is much brighter. The wrinkles under the eyes are looking better.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
Did you, aside from some stinging the first night, did you have any pain afterwards?
I really didn't. Not any pain. I would say it was. I did take some ibuprofen. I think that just was just to kind of
precautionary.
But it really wasn't that bad. Honestly, I would say a more annoying thing about it is to sleep a little bit elevated at night, but that's just because I don't sleep on my back. I'm usually a side sleeper.
Yeah. One of my favorite parts about the fractionated CO2 is around day 4, day 5, day 6, you start getting all this brown dead skin that starts to peel off, and then you just have this beautiful clean skin underneath.
Yes, that was very satisfying when you actually saw in a clean towel or something if you were patting your face after seeing the flakiness come off.